All right, Tricking Coach's November curriculum is out. I put one in your bin and I put one out in the gym out here. Remember, you need to be spending at least 15 minutes teaching a kick or working on combos or something of the sort that involves kicking. The Tricking 1 kicks are machine, back sweep, front sweep, and compasso. I'm gonna move this barrel and show all of those really quickly, as well as how I would teach them. The machine is very similar to a cartwheel. You'll see a lot of them do cartwheels, but we actually want to replace the opposite foot with that hand. So if I'm a righty twister, I'm going towards my right. I'm going to pick up my right foot and replace it with my left hand. That's step 1. They should be able to do that. Step 2 for the machine is they're actually going to replace their other foot with their other hand. So it's going to go left over right, right to left. And then if they go fast and continue that momentum around, it'll be the machine. For the back sweep and front sweep, both are fairly simple. They're like touchdown kicks, but they're touching both hands down. So my back sweep, I would step into it and go here. Notice how I kept my foot low to the ground. If I lift my foot up, then it becomes compasso. And then front sweep is a little bit weirder because obviously we're sweeping in front of ourselves. Usually you'll see trickers drop that knee at least really, really close to the ground, if not on the ground, when they do their front sweep, and then stand up. The flip is side flips. You need to be spending at least 15 minutes working on preparations for that. You can use any mat. I like P-blocks, rainbows, barrels. What we're looking for is dropping the shoulder. So as they approach, whether they're running or standing, one arm comes forward. This is their set arm. Their arms line up and they throw this way. When you're teaching it slower or over a mat, you can have them stop and drop their chest. This is the hardest part of the flip. We don't really do this in another flip, but we need to be right here in order to get our legs around so we don't end up doing a front flip or a back flip. So drop your hands to the ground and then up and over the mat. Even if they're running, they have to get their hands down. I tell them, put your arm on the front side of the barrel right here. You'll see a lot of them turn their chest, put elbows up on top, things like that. No hands, no elbows on the mat. Everything goes on the front. As you roll over, you're lifting your back leg. If they're feeling good about that, you could let them throw it into the foam pit or maybe onto the resi at the end of the tumble track. Our safety is flexibility, so talk about it. Spend some extra time stretching or asking them about how flexibility can help prevent injury, because it's actually one of the best ways to. And then our strength is core, so contests are really good for trickers, like a plank contest, push-up contest, 6 inches where they lift their legs up, lemon squeezers. All those things are really good. Make sure we're stretching down at the end of class and we're incorporating those safety and strength skills at the start of class. Other than that, let me know if you guys have any fun drills you find. We love it when you guys are creative. For Tricking 2, we're working on the back flip, so air track and spring floor is the goal. Hopefully they should have it on the trampoline, and if not, you can spot them into the foam pit. We can work flash kicks or gainer variations. And then the kicks are those Tricking 1 kicks. They should know how to put those into combinations by now. Plus Gumby, A-twist, B-twist, and Frisbee. I'm not going to show all those ones right now. If the Tricking 1 coaches are interested in those, remember I sent the Loop Kicks Trictionary. It's by Loop Kicks. It's called the Trictionary. You can see any trick shown. It's a great resource for tricking information. So, yeah, let me know if you have questions. You guys are going to rock it this month.